You are here teaching English.
Yes.
Can you give your opinion about our English skill here?
I think it's
Anybody ask you what your religion?
yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you answer that question? Sensitive question. Have you married? With a bule. Her name, what your name?
My name is Lucy.
Lucy. Oke. Namanya Lucy. Dia adalah seorang pengajar tamu. Can I call you like guest lecturer?
Sure.
Ya,
Yes.
pengajar tamu di Universitas Syiah Kuala, Banda Aceh. Nah, si Lucy ini sudah mengajar di sini sejak bulan Mei ya, since May ya.
Since May. Yeah.
Lucy have been talk here ya. And also I invite you to teach me how to speak English well. You know,
Yes.
I learned English since senior high school, but never go abroad. Maybe just visit Malaysia 2 times.
Yeah.
But Malaysia don't speak English. They speak Malayu like us. Okay, Lucy. You maybe can speak bahasa if you want.
Saya bisa coba.
Coba. So you try your bahasa, I try my English. Ya.
Alright.
Lucy, apa kabar?
Saya baik.
Baik.
Ya,
How are
apa
you?
kabar?
Baik. So, what do you think before you went to Aceh about Aceh or about Indonesia? Have you visit before?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, sudah.
Sudah sebelumnya ya.
Yeah, when I was in high school, that's when I went to Medan and to Bukit Lawang.
Oh, waktu SMA sudah pernah ke Medan dan Bukit Lawang.
Yes.
What year?
2016 maybe.
2016, 2016 sudah kemari.
Yeah.
So you have your imagination about Aceh ya. Aceh tapi itu bukan Aceh kan? But it's not
bukan.
Aceh ya.
Yeah. Sumatera Utara.
Sumatera Utara.
Yeah.
Then why you choose Aceh?
So my college, my university in America has a program where after you graduate, you can go to a different university in Asia to teach English for 2 years. So I was chosen for Banda Aceh and to come here.
You not chose but chosen.
I was chosen. I applied for Banda Aceh and then I was chosen as well.
You also select Banda Aceh and then you are chosen ya.
Yes.
Jadi Lucy ditawarkan oleh kampusnya, your campus offer you to teach in East Asia ya. Di Asia ya.
Yeah,
Asia Tenggara. Terus Lucy milih di Aceh dan Lucy lolos ya. So what your motivation to teach here?
Yeah.
I think it's culture very different and far from your home.
I sort of figured that coming to a place like Banda Aceh is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, especially for the opportunity to live here long term. It will probably never happen for me again.
Okay.
And
jadi kesempatan ya, once in lifetime
yeah,
ya.
once in a lifetime,
Kesempatan
exactly.
sekali seumur hidup. Jadi why not ya?
Yeah, why not? Yeah.
Dan you are full paid or volunteer?
I get a stipend.
Stipend Indonesia, how to say in Indonesia?
I don't know.
Because it is different with salary, right? This like lower than salary ya.
Yeah.
Berbeda dengan gaji
Yes.
ya. But
only for living costs.
only for living. It's enough for you?
Yeah, it's enough.
Okay.
I can
So
do it.
berarti ini kan sudah Lucy memilih kesempatan once in lifetime, sorry my English kacau nih. Ya. Terus milih ke USK. So when you come here, what reality you face here? It's any different with your imagination before or what?
I think it's a lot more hot than I was expecting, like a lot hotter. Yeah, lebih panas.
In terms of weather.
Yes. Yeah. But also that's to be expected. In my home in America, right now it is around the same temperature as Banda Aceh. So yeah, I guess it wasn't too unexpected.
Where your home in America?
My home is in Delaware,
Delaware.
which is close to Philadelphia.
Philadelphia. Oke. So jadi temperatur di sana mirip-mirip ya.
Yeah, yeah.
What about
Like summer.
people
People ramai sekali.
di Delaware?
Oh, di
No,
Aceh.
Di Aceh. Oh, lebih ramai di Aceh.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Or no.
no.
Orang dari Aceh lebih ramai dari orang Delaware.
I don't
Does that make
understand.
sense? Sorry. Bahasa saya tidak
Ramai. Oh,
bagus.
it's okay. Tell me in English.
The people in Aceh are more friendly than people in Delaware.
Oh,
I would
okay,
say.
more friendly mean lebih ramah.
Yeah.
Ramah.
Sorry.
Friendly is easy to talk, easy
Yeah, yeah,
smiling. Okay.
Yeah.
So you feel like home.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very homey. Yes. And I have found that it's been easy to make friends here as well.
Yeah. So in Delaware, how to spell? Delaware, not easy to make friend.
I'm like it's my home, so of course I have friends there. But I think that the culture in Aceh where people are like more friendly to strangers is
Okay.
not very common in where I'm from America. So yeah, but people from Delaware are friendly.
Yeah.
I won't say that they're like mean or anything to
Yeah, I mean,
my Delaware friends.
maybe it's different culture, right? Because different area, different culture. Not mean your people arrogant or your people cruel or something like that.
No.
But yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
So okay, you are here teaching English.
Yes.
Can you give your opinion about our English skill here?
I think it's great. Everyone is always like, "Oh, my English is not good," and then I'm like, "You should hear my Bahasa. My Bahasa is like way worse than everyone's English."
Yeah.
And I think I've really been like I love speaking English to people here, and I also love speaking Bahasa to people here.
I think you also must have benefit live in Indonesia or Aceh, yeah. So people here get benefit from you. They can speak English with you, and you can get benefit.
Yeah.
Speak bahasa. Ya. Jadi ini kan selama tinggal, kok udah bahasa Indonesia deh. So during your live in Aceh, do you find any awkward situation?
Probably.
Situasi yang janggal maybe. Okay, let me ask you.
Yeah.
Mostly people guess you from what country?
I get Germany,
Germany,
sometimes Turkey,
Turkey,
and sometimes America.
America. So Germany, yeah, most people guess you come from Germany.
Yeah, and it's kind of true because my family is partly from Germany. So it's okay.
Yeah. Maybe your face, your face, how to say, your structure face, yeah. Your face structure come
I'm
from
white.
your heritage, yeah.
Yeah.
From Germany, yeah. That's why people guess you are from Germany. Yeah. So, where you live here?
I live very close to Unchia,
In boarding?
in a house. So it's a house that is owned by the university for international guests
international
and
guests.
students. So I have one housemate who is from the Gambia.
Gambia, okay, from Africa, right?
Yes. Yeah.
What about food, makanan?
Oh, delicious.
Delicious?
Yes, enak
You
sekali.
cook yourself or buy?
Usually I like to use Gojek a lot, so I will order food from Gojek.
Oh, Gojek.
And, yes, and I like to cook also. However, I would rather try different kinds of food from Aceh than cook for myself.
You remember what food that you most like?
Mie Aceh, of
Mie
course.
Aceh?
Of course.
Very common.
I know.
In Delaware,
Common
you
for a
find
reason.
something like that?
No, actually. It tastes very different from the kinds of like noodle dishes than we have.
Maybe like what to say, pasta?
Pasta, yes, but Mie Aceh is just different.
Different, yeah.
Yeah.
We are rich of flavor, eh?
Yes.
Yeah. That's why how to say, I have friends, he came from France. One day he went to a married wedding party. Actually, in wedding party, the dish is very delicious. It's like curry, curry.
Yeah, yeah.
So he eat curry, and because very delicious, he asked me, can I get for two times, for the twice? That's not normal in wedding party to take twice.
Twice.
Yeah. Usually
Okay,
just
that's
one.
good to know.
But because it's very delicious, he wants to get the second time. It's okay.
Yes.
Never
Yeah.
mind.
I have been to 2 weddings.
Yeah.
And the food is always so delicious there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wedding. Who wedding?
Just friends of my friends. So my friends will bring me.
I want to know. In America, I heard if wedding party in guest only a little, hanya sedikit.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe around 100. But here 1,000. Yeah. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think that that's one of the big cultural differences that I've seen here is with the wedding structures. Because in Aceh, it seems like weddings are really for the community, which I think is very like lovely and very like I really like going to weddings here. However, in America, they're usually for the people getting married. So the ceremony is just like about the couple getting married. And like you said, the wedding party is much smaller. Usually it's just close friends and family.
Just invite a close friend, family.
Yeah.
And I think family is core family, core family just
Yeah.
father, mother, right? But in here, if we call family, this around banyak ya.
The neighborhood.
Neighborhood family.
Yeah.
Cousin family, maybe all semuanya lah family. So you can imagine if you married here, how much money you will spend?
A lot.
A lot, yeah.
Yeah.
Because you have to invite many people,
Yeah. In America, weddings are also very expensive.
expensive,
Yeah.
Even you only invite small people,
Well, some people do invite like their entire like neighborhood, actually. So I think like America is very big and very diverse. So it depends on where you're from. Like in the South, I think there might be more weddings like what you would see in Aceh. So it depends, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sensitive question. Have you married?
No.
Is it a sensitive question? No.
I mean, it's a fact.
Because I heard if you meet bule, please don't ask this question. Don't ask about personal things like married status or religion or very what? Personal, yeah. Is that correct?
I think it depends on the bule.
Yeah.
So
For you?
for me,
Yeah.
It's okay. Like I'm here.
Yeah.
So
I'm sure
fine.
here when you meet people will ask you with various questions, right? They will ask you dari mana, sudah punya pacar,
Yeah.
umur berapa, ya?
Yeah.
Anybody ask you what your religion?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you answer that question?
Yes, I can. Yeah.
In Indonesia, we frequently, people will ask that in bahasa Indonesia, a term called kepo.
Yes.
Kepo is like a slang idiom. It means want to know everything. Jangan kepo gitu ya.
Yeah.
This is slang idiom, but very popular right now.
Jika video ini bermanfaat untuk Anda, silakan subscribe, like, dan nyalakan loncengnya.
For the love and care. its miracle, it drives you